What does your CPA firm's balance-based workflow look like? Most people think that the difficulty a CPA or a CPA firm has is in the different sizes of their clients or the different industries that those clients operate in. The real source of our issue is that there are 84 different accounting packages along with versions available to our clients. And each one of those clients sends their data in a variety of different ways. They'll save a backup that we load onto our server and then get the reports in Excel like we need them. Some clients will send us the reports directly in Excel or by PDF, and we'll have to load those onto our server so we can begin to work on them. Some clients will have cloud access that they give us, and we will log on to get the Excel reports. Some clients will have a remote server, and we will do the same thing. Some clients will FedEx us and send us those reports, and we will scan them into a PDF. Some clients will print the reports, they'll drive down to our office, we'll have a meeting, take some notes, scan everything into a PDF. And some clients prefer us come to them, have a meeting, log on to their computer, get the reports that we need in a PDF or in Excel. And it's at this point that we've finally gotten all the information that we need and we can begin working in our trial balance software. But we have questions, like fixed asset additions. We have to create plans. We have to navigate changes, communicate with our clients. And after all of that, we are finally able to push the tax returns to the federal or state entities of the local body. Now, this is a controlled look at the reality of our workflow. In truth, the workflow is a lot more chaotic than this. So let's look at this year and next year preparing this year's tax returns. In the first quarter of this year, we would actually be looking at last year, working on last year's taxes in busy season. We're not talking about this year through the summer. We may connect a little bit with our clients, but we're trying to get the answer for last year in the third quarter, and as we get close to October, we're really focused on last year still. It's not until the end of this year that we start planning for this year, when our clients are planning for next year. The year rolls and starts. And that's when the chaos really begins. Because we can't control what we get or when we will get it, or what format it will come in. We don't even know if it's going to be right. The only thing we know about the information we will get is that it's going to be incomplete. And so, year after year, it's chaotic, with information coming in and us sending information back out as we push to get to the last deadline. However, it doesn't have to be this way. If your firm worked on a transaction-based workflow, you could be receiving real-time data, and you could be working on this year's taxes this year. So using the same timeline as we used before, let's look at what it would look like to prepare this year's taxes in a transaction-based workflow. So if we're looking at this year's taxes this year, in the first quarter of this year, we're already gathering information. We are able to make fixed asset additions, update depreciation schedules, and make the changes that we need real time. We have access to all our clients. We have a command center where we're receiving alerts and notifications, where we're able to push entries back to our clients' books and make changes real time for the tax return. And as the year rolls, we're actually ready to push tax returns out because we've been working on them throughout the year in a controlled format. And once the filing deadline passes, we're able to focus on next year, during next year, not this past year. In 2019, Sage Accounting predicted what the industry would look like in 2030. On their Sage Advice blog, Mark Redmond said that the industry would be reliant upon no manual data entry, real-time relationships, proactive alerts and notifications, preemptive problem solving, higher fees, and better value. What's unique about our solution and the transaction-based workflow is that it can provide your firms with these benefits right now in 2021. Our users are truly experiencing the benefits of no manual data entry, having real-time relationships with their clients, receiving proactive alerts and notifications regarding their clients' accounting information, able to preemptively solve problems for their clients. And all of that is leading to a higher valued business, a higher valued service, and overall profitability. BaCo Tech truly is the future of accounting available today.